It's a scorching hot day in the Coachella Valley. You get home looking forward to stepping into your cool, comfortable oasis. But as you step inside, you're met with disappointment. The air conditioning just doesn't seem to be working efficiently, and your energy bills are soaring. What if we told you that a simple, often overlooked task could save you from this hassle? Let's uncover the secrets to a more efficient and cost-effective cooling experience in the Coachella Valley. Ever wondered why your energy bill is soaring? Well, it could be due to a common misconception about AC filters. Your standard HVAC filter isn't there just for air purification. In fact, its primary role is shielding your AC unit from harmful airborne particles such as dust, debris, allergens, and other contaminants. This helps maintain the efficiency and longevity of the AC unit and contributes to lower energy bills by ensuring the system runs smoothly and efficiently. What happens when you neglect your air filters? Well, a neglected filter strains the system and reduces efficiency, an avoidable expense. By neglecting an AC filter change, you're making your life and finances more difficult. The effects, well, they are far-reaching. From poor cooling performance to increased wear on mechanical parts, not forgetting that all-important hike in power consumption. So next time when looking at high utility bills, remember this: a simple change can save up to 15% off those costs. Now let's delve deeper into how dust accumulation affects blower fans and ductwork. When an AC filter is neglected, it invites a world of trouble. Dust and dirt begin to accumulate in the system, obstructing airflow. This doesn't just strain your HVAC unit, but also leads to increased power usage. The built-up dust can clog up fan motors and valves over time. It's like trying to breathe through a cloth. Not easy, right? This extra effort wears out these components faster than usual, leading them toward premature failure. Have you ever wondered why your allergies tend to worsen when you're indoors? While air conditioning provides relief from the sweltering heat, it can also be a breeding ground for allergens. Dust, pollen, mold spores, and pet dander can accumulate within the AC unit and circulate throughout your indoor space when the system is in use. Here are the steps to change your AC filter safely. To start, locate the air filter, which is usually found near the return air duct or the air handler unit. It might be in a slot on the wall, ceiling, or within the HVAC system itself. Before you proceed, remember to turn off the AC unit to ensure your safety and prevent any potential damage. Next, determine the correct filter size. Check the dimensions of your current filter or consult the owner's manual to find the right size and type of filter needed for your AC unit. Filters come in various sizes and ratings, so make sure to get the appropriate one. Carefully remove the old filter from its slot and take note of how it was positioned. Make a mental note of the airflow direction, which is usually indicated by arrows on the filter frame. If you notice any dirt or debris accumulated around the filter slot, it's a good idea to clean it with a soft brush or vacuum cleaner attachment. Now it's time to insert the new filter. Align it properly with the arrows or indicators on the frame, ensuring that it matches the airflow direction you noted earlier. Slide the filter into the slot until it fits snugly. If your AC unit has a filter cover or door, make sure to close and latch it securely. This step helps to maintain proper airflow and prevent the filter from being dislodged. Once everything is in place, you can turn on the AC unit. Check that the system is running smoothly and that the new filter is correctly installed. Finally, remember that regular maintenance is crucial. It's recommended to change your AC filter every 1 to 3 months, depending on factors such as filter type, indoor air quality, and usage. Regularly inspect and replace the filter as needed to maintain optimal performance and air quality for your home. Putting in a bit of work for your air conditioning unit can pay off big. Neglecting to regularly change your AC filter, for instance, can lead to severe consequences over time. The moving parts of the system slow down due to dust accumulation and draw more power than usual. This is what we call inefficient energy usage. Your air conditioner's lifespan significantly shortens when subjected to continuous strain caused by clogged filters. This increased wear and tear not only disrupts the comfort in your home, but also leads you toward costly repairs or even replacement much sooner than expected. A professional inspection can reveal any underlying issues caused by prolonged filter negligence. According to the EPA, cleaning your ductwork can prevent unnecessary breakdowns, extend equipment life, and improve energy efficiency. If you're ready for professional help after prolonged neglect has led to heavy dust buildup inside ductwork, Anthem HVAC Repair Services have got you covered. Anthem offers top-notch HVAC repair services, including changing or cleaning AC filters, as well as comprehensive duct inspection/cleaning. Let us help maintain the smooth functioning of your unit while enhancing indoor air quality substantially. Don't wait till unnecessary breakdown repair costs pile up. Contact Anthem at 760-895-2621 if you are in the Coachella Valley, and 760-895-2621 if you are in Inland Empire, to keep your HVAC system running smoothly and your indoor air fresh and clean.